guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? So today's video is going to be the December Euphorbia Box unboxing, and here is my Euphorbia box. So basically Euphorbia box is a very affordable beauty subscription box, and it comes for just rupees 309 per month including shipping. And if you are taking a 3-month, 6-month or 12-month subscription, you have to pay much less than that. So if you guys want more detail on Euphorbia box, and if you want to go and check out Euphorbia box's website, then everything is mentioned down in my description box, so do go and check out my description box for more details. Now let's quickly open the box and let's unbox and see what are the products we have received this month. So guys, I'm going to start with the pouch first. So here is this month's pouch. Just look at it. This is gorgeous. I personally love glitters, and if you're someone just like me, then I'm sure you're going to love this pouch. Like, this month's pouch is beautiful. This is so glittery, so gorgeous, and it's so Christmassy. Like, it gives you so much Christmas vibes. The moment you look at it, you feel Christmassy. Like, I'm totally loving the pouch. So let's open it up and see where is the card. So here is this month's card. So the first product is a set of lipstick from the brand called 7 Seas, and it is the 7 Seas Long Crazy Matte Pen Lipstick in the shade 612, 613 and 629, and each of these pen lipsticks cost rupees 299 each. The cost of these 3 lipsticks come to rupees 897. So guys, I have previously used the 7 Seas Crazy Matte pen lipsticks before as well. Like, I have received them in my previous Euphorbia boxes, which were definitely of different shades, like not these 3 shades. Those were different shades, and I personally love these lipsticks because these are so long staying. Like, they last really long. They are matte, the pigmentation is great, and the best part about these lipsticks are these are not at all drying on my lips. Like, they don't completely dry out my lips, which I really like. I think the formula is very comfortable. So this one is shade number 612. It's a muted pink, very beautiful color, perfect for all skin tones, and I think it's going to serve as a great nude lipstick for darker skin tones. Next shade is shade number 613, and this is how it looks on my lips. Now for this shade, guys, I would say that this is a shade which would suit mostly fair to medium skin tones, but I'm a little skeptical about deeper and richer skin tones. I would say that this might slightly wash out on very deep and richer skin tones, but you can definitely use this up for ombreing your lips. Next shade is shade number 629, and this is a beautiful maroonish red, and this is perfect for all skin tones, and this is the perfect color for the fall season, even for Christmas. I think it's a beautiful shade. Next product in the bag is this right here, which is from the brand AM Greens, and it's a clay face mask which is worth rupees 599. So you get it in this pouch right here, this Ziploc pouch, which you can definitely use more than once. So I think you will be able to make at least 2 to 3 uses out of it. So this one is a 100% natural clay face mask, and it has kaolin in it and saffron in it, and we all know that saffron is very good for skin. It's going to naturally improve your skin, and it's going to make your skin radiant. The last product in this month's bag is right here. It's a pair of circular drop earring worth rupees 399, and guys, the design is awesome. Like, I'm just loving this earring. This is how it looks on me, and I love it. So guys, with that, my unboxing comes to an end, and overall I'm really loving this month's box. I think you're getting pretty awesome products in this month's box, especially if you are a lipstick lover just like me. I'm sure you're going to love this box, and even the pouch, the earring, the face mask. I think overall it's a really good box. So if you guys want to get it, and if you guys want to know more information on Euphorbia box, then make sure you guys go and check out my description box for more details. So if you have liked this video, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys again in my next video. Till then, take care.